Hi, I'm Jay, and I'm going to tell you how to find the model number on your second wind UV system. These two are pretty simple. This model here, you wouldn't see this section. This would be installed in your ductwork. And this is the duct mounting plate, so from here out you would be able to see. Right here is the sticker for the model number. This one is very similar. This portion here inserts inside the ductwork so you wouldn't see it, but you would be able to see this power box here, and the sticker is right here. All right, on this model, this section here is in your ductwork. This is a magnet that holds this section to the inside of your ductwork. And on the ballast, which is this device here, and this may be located inside of your blower compartment in your furnace. I guess you have to follow this cable to find out where this is mounted. But wherever this is mounted, and again, probably in your furnace blower compartment, you'll find the model number right here printed on this side. All right, this particular unit happens to be a commercial style unit. And you'll see there's a sticker right here that indicates the model number. This thing is mounted inside of your ductwork, so the whole thing will be hidden from you inside the ductwork. It's available in different sizes for various types of units and capacities, but again, the entire unit is located inside the ductwork and the sticker is right here. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.